your Deepa. Welcome back to my channel Deepa Diaries. Today I am going to show you easy peasy vegetable scrambled egg. Yes, it's very good diet recipe for weight loss. Come, let's go into our recipe. Here are the ingredients. I took 2 eggs, little bit of green peas, some mint, grated carrot, grated beetroot and 2 cloves of garlic. Come, let's take little bit of olive oil, it's very easy and quick recipe, friends. When you don't have time, you're tired, just not in a mood to cook, but you want to eat something healthy, quick recipe, please, I suggest you this recipe. It's very quick, friends, and very easy and healthy, as here we are using red, orange and green veggies. Egg, our main source of animal protein. Friends, now I am going to add garlic cloves, eggs, 2 eggs, now we will add some spices to it, bit of pink salt. Pink salt is very good for health. Bit of jeera powder. As I said before, jeera powder helps in your digestion. And a bit of black pepper. You can replace black pepper with chili powder or green chilies as you wish. If you don't want any spice, you can just skip it. It smells delicious. Wow, this looks cool, no? Yes, friends, it's very easy, quick diet recipe. Add mint leaves. It gives good flavor, and mint also helps in your digestion. Let's switch off the stove and dish out the recipe. Wow, it smells so yummy. Seriously, to be honest, friends, this is very easy and healthy recipe. You can make it either for lunch or dinner or for breakfast. Anything you can make it and eat. Dun dun dun! Here I go with vegetable scrambled egg. Yes, it smells tasty, it looks tasty, and I know it tastes delicious. So friends, do try this easy peasy lemon squeezy egg, scrambled egg veggies. And friends, please watch the video and like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Deepa Diaries. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.